Hi, in this video, so I'm going to show you how you can turn on and off the hourly chime on your Casio watch. So if it gives you a little beep every hour, you might want that or you might want to take it off. At the moment, it beeps at me every hour because if you have a look, it says SIG just up here. That means that it's going to beep at you every hour. So to turn that off, we do this, and it's the same process for turning it on as well. So we need to go into alarm mode. So hit this button here on the bottom left. And you can see if we keep hitting it, we will go into alarm mode like this. And then we need to keep scrolling through, so keep hitting these buttons here until you just have it with the 2 zeros like that there. Then we're going to hit this button here and you will see that SIG up the top right hand side will go. So now it won't beep at me every hour. And then you can just come out of that and your watch won't beep at you anymore because you can see it hasn't got SIG up there. If you want it to beep at you, and I'll show you it beeping now, again, you just go into alarm like that, keep scrolling through until you're at the 00. It was already at the 00 there, but you keep pressing this one to scroll through. And then if we do this one, it will now say SIG, and then it will be on every hour. So let me just set the time now to make it go off in a minute. So when that gets to 12:00 here, you will hear it will chime. There we go, so every hour it will do that, and if you don't want it, just get rid of the SIG up there for signal, and then it will not chime at you. Thanks for watching.